Do you absolutely love your vacuum? If your answer was anything other than yes, I've got a vacuum I want to talk to you about. It's the SEBO E3. So this is a German vacuum. It's a canister, and it's so well designed with tons of ease of use and power features. It holds a lot of dirt at almost a gallon. It has great S-class filtration, so fabulous for that, and it's made to last, unlike a lot of our modern vacuums that are made to be thrown out again and again. Your whole vacuum can be operated right from the handle. It slides on with your thumb from small suction to full suction, and then your brush roll turns off right here on my thumb. Now, this has a height adjustable brush roll, and let me show you something really cool that it will do for us. If you are on a higher pile carpet like I am right now, and you go off onto a low pile carpet or your hardwood floors, see that red light? What that is telling you is that you're on the wrong height and you're not getting good cleaning. So what I do is turn it so that that goes off and you feel it pull forward. It's smart and it's got lots of power. Let's say I am going under my coffee table and I don't notice that my favorite sweater is there. And this can go under just about anything. We have a 3.5 inch clearance. So I turn it on, brush roll on. Oh, there's my sweater. You notice that? The brush roll shut itself right off. My sweater is safe and my vacuum is ready to go again with no reset button. We have a completely removable brush roll. Check this out, it's so easy. Press a button, slide this forward, and out comes my whole brush roll. So I'm not sitting there picking away. I can just cut off all of the hair and thread wrapped around there. While I've got it upside down, this is the beginning of SEBO's brilliant anti-clog setup. We have a clog remover here. You can take this apart here. You have a straight shot all the way through, and then we get to the hose. If you notice, this is narrower than this. And that is designed so that if something can pass to here, it's gonna keep on passing through and into your bag without a clog. That's one of the reasons we love SEBOs. They're really hard to clog, and they're strong, so strong. I can stand on this power head with no worries, because this is designed to last. So in addition to being spectacular for cleaning your floors, SEBO also knows you're using a canister vacuum to do so much more. So of course, we can detach this and get up high to your ceilings. Obviously, you've got a dusting brush right here, but then they're stashing a couple of other tools on board for you. You've got a crevice tool right here, mirroring where your cord comes out, and I will add your cord will retract simply with a press of a button. That's a 25-foot cord, giving you a 37-foot cleaning radius. But then you also have a very cleverly hidden upholstery tool that pops out, pop, and then hides away neat and tidy. If you notice all the way around this sleek and stylish vacuum, we have this great filter. This is a filter that acts as a bumper too. So when you drag this around your house, if it bumps into your furniture or walls, it's not gonna do any damage. They've thought of just about everything on this guy. SEBO makes their vacuums to last for decades. They make parts for the original SEBO vacuums, and in addition, they offer an amazing warranty. When you buy it through a vacuum store like Quality Sewing, you're gonna get a 10-year warranty on this vacuum. It's absolutely amazing and the best value in the industry. So one of the most important features in a vacuum is gonna be filtration, and this vacuum has great filtration. It starts right here at the bag. This bag can close right up and be thrown away, no yucky dirt in your face, dander, animal hair like you're dealing with when you're dealing with a bagless vacuum. And then right beneath that, you have a pre-motor filter protecting your motor. And then around on the back, we have a third filter that comes and pops out. Those two you only want to replace about once a year. Now, your bag is really easy to take in and take out. You might have seen the way I just did that. It mounts on this little wire and just hinges down and then closes. If you forgot to put a bag in for some reason, check this out. It won't close. It won't close. It's there to protect your vacuum. They've done so much to make sure that these are going to last a really long time. When do you know to change the bag? Well, let me show you. They actually have a full bag indicator right here. It will show up a little bit if I turn on the vacuum and block myself. Look, see that? If you're seeing that all the time when your vacuum is in use, it's time to change your bag. It also comes with a bare floors tool, but I want to give you my hint. I never use this tool. It came with my vacuum, but I don't use it. The reason is this. I have a brush roll on-off right here that I can just turn off when I go onto my bare floors. The reason I like that is because it stays upright when I stop vacuuming due to the weight of the power head, and I don't wind up really needing this one. Now, if you absolutely love having a bare floors tool, I have one I would like to recommend for you. This is the SEBO Wheeled Parquet, and a lot of our customers have told us this is their favorite add-on for the SEBO canister vacuums. It's great because it gives a little bit more support and clearance, but the other thing that's great about it is that you can pop out this front row of bristles. Now, the reason you want to do that is because sometimes if you're coming up to big clumps of dog hair, I don't know about you, but I get plenty of big clumps of dog hair from my dog. Now this whole front part is absolutely open to receive all those big clumps coming off of your hardwoods. And then there's a brush on the back that's going to make sure that absolutely nothing didn't get all the way through. So, and then you can save this extra thing of bristles for when you need it. Other things you might consider adding to your SEBO purchase are the turbo brush. Now this is used to remove animal hair from furniture. It has a spinny brush and it works really, really well for taking everything off of your upholstery. An extension hose so you can go far, far away from where you need to. You got an extra 9 feet in addition to your 7-foot hose. And this is the wonderfully flexible crevice tool that can get down into all those weird spots, the French fry in your car. This is truly the best vacuum that I think we carry at the moment. It's the one I chose for my home, and I hope you'll give it a try. So if this SEBO E3 is the vacuum for you, you can go right to QualitySewing.com and order it today. Or if you live near one of our Puget Sound locations, come into one of our stores. We would love to show you how it works, and you can try out all the great features for yourself.